Come here. Any small thing, you will say you don't have capital. You don't have capital. Why are you not investing? You don't have capital. Why are you not starting that business? You don't have capital. In this video, I am going to help you discover that capital you have that you do not know. A lot of people have capital hiding somewhere, but they do not know. This video will help you discover that capital and help you to monetize that capital, because for you to create wealth, you need capital. It is very important. You cannot make something out of nothing. You have to put in like a seed, then you will await the harvest. So in this video, I'm going to list 5 different types of capital, and you're going to list in the comment section below the ones or the one that you have. All right. Now, before I proceed to serve you the tea, please do me a favor. I beg of you. Look at the subscribe button below. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. Please, that's all I'm asking you for. Have you done it? Are you sure you have subscribed and you have turned on the bell notification icon? I didn't hear Pakam. I've heard it. Thank you. Thank you. Now we can proceed. Now, let's talk about 5 different types of capital. Let's talk about 5 different types of capital. Then you tell me the one that you have. Number 1, social capital. Now, what is social capital? Social capital is your ability to meet new people, strangers, make them like you, make them your friends. You start discussing business, then they become close business allies. All right? How amiable are you? How sociable are you? Are you that type that goes out, you meet people, you convert strangers to friends, then business partners? That is what is called social capital. How do you treat people? How friendly are you? How sociable are you? That is social capital. And some people do call this one connection. That is connection. A lot of you are connected, yet you are dwelling in poverty because you do not know that social capital is something of great value that you can monetize. You can monetize. Your cousin is the deputy governor of your state, yet you are wallowing in poverty. That is because you do not know how to approach these wealthy people in a way that they will listen to you. You don't go to a big man asking for favors. Come with something that is mutually beneficial to both of you, then they will listen to you. So number 1 type of capital is social capital. So if you have social capital and you did not know, or you do not know how to monetize it, now you know. You can begin to monetize it. A lot of you have friends, associates, relatives that are key players in different industries. All you go to miss them for is to ask for handouts and peanuts. You will remain in that poverty because that's not what such a person is looking to hear from you. Such people don't throw away their money. Investment got them to where they are. They are not about to start throwing away their money on infertile grounds. Be fertile in your thought process, in your action, and they will invest in you. So number 1 is social capital. Who do you know? Who you know is even more important than what you know nowadays. A lot of people are not the most qualified for the jobs they have, but because they know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody, that is why they are there. All right? So number 1 is social capital. Now, number 2, intellectual capital. That's why I tell a lot of people, acquire skills, read books. For somebody to be able to give you their money, you are helping them solve a problem. You know something that they do not know. That is why they gravitate towards you. Okay? A fruitful tree is the one that people gather under and throw sticks at. When a tree is not fruitful, people will not gather around them. So if you have intellectual property, if you have intellectual capital, you know how to code, you know how to drive, you know herbalism, you are very intelligent, you know how to guide and counsel, you have something to offer, then it's time for you to start monetizing it. There are several numerous ways to monetize your knowledge. That thing that you know. There are people that write ebooks. They sell those ebooks. People are constantly on the internet in search of knowledge. You know how to trade crypto. You know how to trade forex. You know how to listen to somebody. You know how to advise people. You can monetize your intellectual capital. You have the capital already. Just tap into it and create wealth from it. A lot of people have this intellectual capital, but they are not using it. So the second kind of capital is intellectual capital. Now let's go to number 3. Number 3 is financial capital. That is the one that is the most popular that all of you know. And many of you even think that capital is limited to financial only. But now you know better. Financial capital is when you have raw cash sitting in your bank account. Maybe you won Bet Naija, or you inherited some money from your late parents, or you worked for a while, you got that massive payout, you got that massive retirement benefit. That is financial capital. That is the one that you can now use to rent, to buy a caravan, rent a plot of land, stock it with crates of drinks, soft drinks, and you start selling. That is financial capital. So that is also one type of capital. All right. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4 is the most interesting one that a lot of people have, but they don't know and they are not monetizing it. Sexual capital. That one will shock you. Don't be shocked. Sexual capital. We don't talk about it a lot, but it is real capital. All right. Now, sexual capital talks about how good looking you are. Okay. They say you are addressed the way you are dressed. A lot of people have used good dressing and good appearance to get jobs that they are not the most qualified for. That guy that has the intelligence, that lady that has the intelligence is just not good looking enough. Okay? There are people say, I must chop before mouth go chop. That means that before somebody will even like you, like your character, like your attitude, like your personality, they must like your physicality first. Whether we like it or not. Go to social media. 90% of your celebrities have nothing else to offer other than good looks. Whether it is morally right or wrong, they are where they are already. And a lot of people who don't have those looks that they have cannot achieve those things. There are so many institutions. Marketing is the lifeblood of any company. Most companies, when they want to recruit, they start the recruitment through marketing. They employ marketers first. All right? They are looking for marketers. They are looking for field workers. One of the major criteria is looks. You are watching this video now, you are a man. The moment a beautiful girl walks into your office, you are supposed to interview her. The moment she walks in your mind, you have turned to a siren. Wow, wow, wow. The girl can be saying rubbish. You ask her 1 + 1. She tells you it's 11. You'll be like, look at her, look at the beautiful way she said the 11. Eh? Then somebody that is not good looking, you ask them 1 + 1, he say 2. You say he's rude. His face is rude. We can't give a rude person this job. We would rather give that person that says 1 + 1 is 11. Then we train them. You don't understand? So looks opens doors automatically. It opens doors automatically. And a lot of people just follow looks. So if you are good looking, okay, if there's a crime, at a crime scene now, police are there trying to do surveillance and do investigation. The first scary looking person that passes that place, maybe you have one kind of scary face, one big scar here, they will arrest you. No matter what you claim, Amino said, you're going to be saying that in the police cell. So looks are very important. So if you are good looking, you are a fine girl, you are good looking, instead of you to be sleeping around, don't do that. Go and open an Instagram page. Open Instagram page and start dancing to any trending music. Just be dancing. You will see plenty men, irresponsible men, they'll start following your Instagram page. They'll be looking at you. Before you know, brands will start coming to you because they are seeing the engagement on your page. They are seeing how men are following you. Some men now will run into the bathroom so that their wives will not see them. They'll go and be looking at you. You are beautiful. Open an Instagram page. Start vibing to any trending song. Men will follow you. I give you 2 months. You have over 10,000. What's 10,000? Almost 100,000 followers. Majority are men. There's a lady on Instagram. She sells lingerie. For women, lingerie. All, I'm not saying some, all our followers are men, people that are not interested in that product. They are looking at her body. That's why they are there. All the DM she's getting is about, can I have your number? Not, I want to buy product. So when such engagement is on your page, you will see brands will start coming to you and say, please, a lot of people are seeing what you are doing. Please, can you help us to advertise? That is how all those girls became brand ambassadors of big, big brands. It is sexual capital, all right, that is making them have such engagement. You have fair skin, naturally fair skin. Company that is into skincare will approach you and offer you big money to lie to your people that it was the skincare product that gave you the skin. Meanwhile, it was God. Then you see, maybe you have big backside. Companies that are into body enhancement will approach you to lie that, you know, it was their product that gave you that big backside. That's why you see people that want to be influencers and they do not have that normal sexual capital, they will go and do BBL. Why? Because they are looking for something that will attract people to their page. That will attract people, it will attract brands. You see all of them, they will do BBL. Then they will go and carry one product and say it is this product, one cream that they rubbed on their backside that gave them, you know. So you have to be visually, physically appealing. It is some form of capital. Now, the last form of capital we want to talk about is spiritual capital. Spiritual capital, there are people that God is using, whether you like it or not. Now, we're not here to talk religion, but the truth of the matter is that God listens to some people more than some other people. I can't deep dive into that because I do not have the knowledge, but the reality is that some people, when they pray for you, you get results. Now, such people, you have such a gift, you are in your family, you are praying for your brothers and sisters, they don't even appreciate you because they say a prophet is not honored in his own home. Monetize it. Go online, go on live video, go on live Instagram, go on live Facebook. People join, start praying. Those things that you were seeing, that you were telling your siblings, that they take you for granted. There's somebody on this call now, mosquito bite you in your armpit yesterday, and you started scratching it. There are 3 rashes underneath your armpit now. It's a spiritual attack. Before you know, you can monetize your page. People can consult you privately. You tell them what to do. Once their problem is solved, they give you offering, gifts, whatever you want to call it. All right. So these are the different types of capital that are available at the disposal of a lot of people, but they don't know what to do with it. A lot of people have the good looks. They don't know what to do with it. I'm not saying you should monetize your looks in an illegal or immoral way. No, monetize it legitimately. You are a brand. If you are handsome, you have 6 packs, you are a brand. Everybody will like you. You are a girl, the whole world likes you. If you have good looks, everybody just likes you. Door that you will, before you knock, the door has opened. Fine girl, before you knock, the door has opened. Then that what girl is there, knocking, nobody is even answering. You understand me? So if you have that spiritual capital as well, monetize it. If you have social capital, you know everybody in every street corner, in every office, you know everybody. You know everybody in the Ministry of Health. You know somebody in the Ministry of Finance. You know somebody somewhere that knows somebody that is important. Monetize it. You are an intellect. You know how to speak French and you are at home suffering. While there are lots of people that are ready to pay you to learn French, you are there using your French to gossip on social media. Come on. You can become an online tutor and you start teaching. With your intellectual capital, you monetize it. All right? Some of you have money, financial capital. You don't even know what to do with the money. Then you start making research. Follow a channel like this, Victor Isibor Reviews channel. Go and look at my past videos. I've reviewed businesses, giving you step-by-step guide on how to start those businesses. Go and monetize your financial capital. And most importantly, hit the subscribe button on this channel. Hit the subscribe button. Share this video with somebody. Let them discover the capital that they have been hiding under their pillow and let them monetize it. We are in a race against poverty. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you to those that subscribed. God bless you, those that are going to share. And God bless you eternally, those that will comment. Comment below which of these 5 capitals do you have. If you don't have any of these 5 capital, you can't create wealth too. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, I remain Victor Isibor. It is bye-bye.